Now, this is our animal noises. I am a cow. Moo. I'm a pig. I am a chicken. I'm a duck. Quack, quack. I am a sheep. I'm a horse. I am a bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. I am a bee. I am a dog. I'm a cat. Meow. Meow. I am a fish. I'm an elephant. I'm the pig. I can't do it. That's my elephant noise. I am a monkey. What noise is a monkey? I'm a tiger. I am a parrot. Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker? I'm a rabbit. I am an owl. Turning my head round. I'm the alligator. I am now a donkey. Kind of. I'm a weasel. Weasel! Okay. I'm a wolf. Fuck, what's the whale with you? I'm a whale. In Finding Nemo. Whale talk. Okay, so I'm a hyena. I'm a frog. It was a dog there. I am a snake. I'm an alpaca. I'm a dolphin. I'm a meerkat. CompareTheMeerkat.com. I am a shark. Dun, dun, dun. You're putting me with me. But please. I am a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. Yeah. That is all the animals on the planet. Yeah. Because the rest...
Well, they're not.
The rest are extinct.
No, they just don't make sounds, Leanne.
They do, we just don't know them.
Yeah, they're like...
Bye.